Good morning, guys. Yes, another vlog from all of us. We are today heading out on a road tour. Minus one person, Dante has gone to work this week, unfortunately, so we get to see him in the mornings and at evenings at supper time. But in the meantime, he's at work, so there's three amigos plus our lovely Apollo. He's with us today as well. So we're going to a destination, and we'll show you where it's at, and hopefully I can record in there, but we'll find out when I get there. All right, guys, see you soon. Hey guys, well, we finally got here, and I'm going to show you where we're coming into. Yes, we are at Bass Pro Shops Outdoor World in Phoenix, Arizona. And I think if I'm not mistaken, it's Glendale. For those outdoor people that like outdoor adventures, this is the store for you. Look at the almighty elk over here, guys. Hey? And they're waving the American, and I do believe that's the Phoenix, Arizona flag. There you go, guys, and hopefully I don't get copyrighted for the music. We're walking into the store here, and it is always nice to come into Bass Pro Shops because they have some neat stuff here. And we're coming in.
Wow.
Isn't that beautiful, guys? Look at this, guys. We got deer, bear, and all sorts of kinds of stuff here, guys. Oh. We got some, I think that's partridge, if I'm not mistaken, or quail. If anybody knows it, mark it down in my comments, guys. Yes, we do have Bass Pro Shops in Canada, but this kinds are completely different here in the States versus Canada. We have, look at the mallards, guys. Look at the mallards. Ain't that neat, guys? Look at that. Ruffled grouse. There you go. There you go, guys. We're walking into the fly shop for those fly fishermen out there. If you're interested in fly fishing, you can get your flies, your rods, all the equipment here at Bass Pro Shops. Ain't that cool? We got northern pike over there, guys. Striped bass over there. I've caught quite a few of those ones myself. Okay, guys, we're going to be walking into their aquarium. There we go, guys. I'm going to walk nice and slow so you guys can see all of the fish that they have in here. Oh my goodness. This is a little different than our Bass Pro Shop in Canada. And Mariana pointed out that we have a turtle swimming around. Look at that, guys.
Oh goodness. Big one.
Look at that. And it's swimming along with the fish, eh? That is so cool, guys. So there you have it. We have an indoor aquarium in the Phoenix, Arizona Bass Pro Shop. I'm going to walk out here to the front and record the fish here that are sitting in this aquarium. Okay. All different kinds of fish. Oh, we have a... We'll come around the corner. I call them sucker fish. See that? Bottom eaters. Oh, there's another one. There you go, guys. We're walking into the boating section and the fishing section. And you have every kind of backpack for fishing, I guess. And fishing rods. And that was our dog Apollo. I apologize for the loudness. Bass Pro Nitro boat. And it's the boat showroom we're walking into, guys, where they have all the kinds of goodies. And just for the people that are curious on pricing, there you go. On the four-wheelers here in the States. This is a side-by-side. And we have all the boats. Look at that. We got a nice fishing boats here. And as you can tell, their selection here of fishing rods and tackle boxes and boat covers and all sorts of stuff is as big as what we have in Canada, if not bigger. So whatever you need, you can find here at Bass Pro Shops. And we're walking now, guys, into the camping section for our camping enthusiasts. And you're probably wondering why I came to Bass Pro Shops. Well, I'll be honest with you, I'm on the hunt to buy a nice backpack. Not too big, so I can put my electronics and other stuff into it when I travel and I do this kind of stuff. So we're walking into the area of the backpacks, and they have all different kinds of prices. And stay tuned to find out which backpack I will buy. All right, until then, stay tuned. I found more backpacks, guys, in the Yeti section. And just to show you guys, the Yeti section is huge. There's tumblers here, guys, just like we have in Canada, and coolers and bags and all sorts of kinds of stuff, eh? But I made you guys a promise, backpacks. I'll show you the one I decided to pick. And there's my backpack right there. just wanted to share that with you. It's this 27 liters, so this one I can put at my feet and on the plane. And for the archery people that like, oh, there's Mariana. Say hi, Mariana. For the people that like hunting, we are walking in the hunting section. There we go, guys. All different kinds of arrows, crossbows. They have a live archery range here as well. The old style bows. And all the elks and deer. And I hope I don't get copyrighted because of the music. I don't take responsibility of the music. And we have all the clothing. And we have an exhibit, I guess. Oh my goodness, look at this, guys. We have an exhibit. You guys want to have a read? Just zoom it open, pause the video and zoom it open, and you can have a read. I'm going to walk through here slowly so you guys can see what I'm looking at. Pronghorn, guys. Isn't that neat? Another light right up, guys. Hopefully that light's not going to be in the way. I apologize for that if it is. Look at that, guys. Old style makeshift camping place with fire and and we have our lovely skunk coming in. Pepe Le Pew, I smell you. Aye? Isn't that crazy, guys? This is just phenomenal. I love seeing this kind of stuff. As I get older, I like nature. Elk populations, another write-up. Just wanted to show that to you guys. If you guys want to read up on it, pause the video and open it up and you can see it. Ringneck pheasant. Isn't that wild, guys? Look at that. We got the deers, bucks, the American elk again, another write-up for those people that want to read. I'm going to leave it here so you guys can have a quick pause and then read it if you have to. And we have deer. This is more to what we have in Canada, right up there on white-tailed deer. We're coming into an actual pronghorn exhibit. Now, this is the first time I ever set eyes on this kind of an animal. To me, it looks like a deer, but they're called pronghorns. I guess they're native to the North American. There's a little bit of a write-up there, guys. Hopefully you guys can see that. If you want to read up on it, just pause the video and open it and make the screen bigger. And we got a jackrabbit. Look at that. And I wanted to show you guys something over here. Look at this. Bobcat. And we got mountain lion and cow elk exhibit. Ain't that cool? And then the black bear getting its feed from the bee's nest, guys. Look at that. And you notice something as you walk around this exhibit. You got the red squirrel. You have a porcupine. A gray squirrel. And a badger. See, the smaller animals sort of camouflage into the earth that they got going on in here. I'm going to walk around quickly and I'm going to show you guys to see if there's any more small animals that were hidden. They got camouflaged into the earth scope. We've seen the pheasant. There we go. A yellow-bellied marmot. I think I'm pronouncing that correctly. Oh, and then we have, look at that, the coyote hiding in the background, staring at the old jackrabbit as a meal. Look at that, isn't that cool, guys? And that looks about it. Oh, and there's some little animal sitting there. I think it might be a squirrel up there, up on that stump. But this is about the exhibit here. I'm going to go back out into the store itself and get some more. All right, guys? Look at this, guys. I almost missed it. The prairie dog. Look at that one, crawling in the hole. Hey? That's what they look like, these prairie dogs. Oh, we got a wild pig over here. Javelina. Look at this. See, I would have missed it. All right, guys, we're going to come through this mountain pass. We got bears and we got buffalo and polar bear, but we'll come around to that end here in a minute. We got a bear pass. It's mountain pass that we're going to walk through. We got a cougar sitting up there. We got some wild goats up there, up in the top. I got pigs, but we're gonna get that view there once we get to the top of the section. And we got some sort of... And we got the extinct Jacob that's coming out of the shadows, scaring his father.
Come into my cave.
Trying to give me a heart attack.
Come into my cave. Come into my cave. Come here. Dad, come into my cave. This is my cave. Come.
There you go, that's your cave.
I eat in this corner. I sleep in this corner. Okay?
All right, we're entertained by Jacob. Look at this, guys. We got a plane flying overhead. Isn't that beautiful, guys? Look at the elks way up there. But I'm gonna get all that from the top view too. We have a cougar. I think that's a cougar. Mountain lion, sorry, I was wrong. And we're gonna go through this section here. We got deer and we got,
Sorry. If you look up right there,
look.
it's the bald eagle.
And we have a bald eagle, guys.
It's not real. Not taxidermy because, you know, it's protected in the state.
Yeah, okay.
But still, ooh.
Rio Grande turkey, guys. Not as in the meal, just a case. We got a exhibit, white exhibit, guys. Look at that. It feels like I'm going through the mountains, but we're not even in the mountains. We could go through the mountains, and we have a waterfalls. And we have a beaver. I have one of those in our pond. That causes me trouble, but we always fix it. We undam the dams that go on. We got a waterfalls, guys. And I'm gonna record this here. And I'll stay here for a minute. You guys can pause this and make this bigger if you like by opening up your screen. And then you have your lovely raccoons and big moose. A little snow. We got some more clothing, guys. And these are the animals that are prone for being in the cold weather. We got the polar bear, and we're gonna have this little bit right up. Look at that, guys. Isn't that something else?
Stop it.
And that would be our dog, Apollo, again.
Stop it.
And we got an Arctic fox. And then I'm gonna get you guys to stay here for a minute, and we're gonna read
What's your issue? Stop it.
what's on there. You just all have to do is open up your screen. And this is our view from the stairs going up. And there's a wolf howling. Jacob pointed that out. Stairs going up to the second level. Would be, looks like a toy section for kids and toys. And some clothing. And Coyote Canyon Shooting Gallery, where you can practice your shooting in an arcade fashion. I'm gonna walk in there, guys. See? There we go. And then you got to hit all the targets on the... Isn't that cool? We got some goats. And we got the Cabela's plane up there. And I want to come around here and record. Look at that. For you guys to read. And if you see right there, guys, the diamondback rattlesnake. We got clothing here, the clearance sale clothing. I like heritage stuff like this, guys. What our great-grandfathers used to use, etc. And pictures of people. And if you need a set of flip-flops, you get your shoes up here. And look at this. You don't see these very often anymore. They're usually sold at an antique store, and they're worth a pretty penny. A Shell gas station pump. And for those who are watching here that appreciate this as much as I do, that is just fantastic. And you can get all kinds of shoes and running shoes and flip-flops and boots and you name it, they have it, guys. But I'm going to show you, for the people that have a sweet tooth, this is the Fudge Shop general store. Look at this. Live bait sold here. Isn't that crazy? And you can get all kinds of sweets. Pretzels. Rose, if you're watching, look what I found. Peaches. I know it's not pineapple, but they're canned peaches. And canned all kinds of goodies. And apple butter and strawberry preserves and wild berry preserves and honey. And candies. You name it, they got it. And for the coffee lovers, look at this. I'm in love. Coffee. Beef jerky, guys. Big bags of beef jerky. And they're big bags. They're $24.99. And they got teriyaki. They got sweet and hot and peppered. Everything. Pepperoni, honey roasted peanuts.
Get up 100 chips.
And a puzzle, guys. Look at that. Guys, for the tea lovers, I apologize. I walked right by it. See that? Tea for the bold, tea for the adventure, for Tea America. For anybody that loves tea. I love these kind of signs, guys. Especially this one here. I like fishing lure signs. That just gives me a Big Papa fizzy soda. Never heard of that, but that's something new. This must be an American thing. To all the people that are from America, give me a comment down in the comments. Let me know. Is this still existing? And I just wanted to show you guys a little bit of the back wall in the store here. The old truck sitting in tall grass, abandoned. And for those Jeep lovers, my daughter drives a Jeep. There you go, off the beaten path. Grizzly, welcome lodge in the old style camping for making coffee and tea and bowls. Look at that, eh? I want to point something out, guys. If you stay here for a second, you'll see that this sign changes. And I'm going to stand here for a minute to see what kind of scenery we got. We got a fly fisherman. And it changes again to the hiking extraordinary guy that likes to hike in the mountains. And there we go, back to the Cabela's. For the fishermen. Back to the hunting guy. So there you go. I just wanted to point that out. We got socks and heated socks and oh my goodness, we got everything. Boots. What, the raccoons again, the lynx up top there. You see the lynx, guys? And then we got a wolverine. All kinds of boots. And then the Rio Grande turkey, guys. And for the people that want to get blankets and comforters and pillows, and the NASCAR guys that are watching, you can get your NASCAR shirts here too. Umbrellas if you need an umbrella. And scents. And scented candles. And it smells awful nice over here, guys. Let me tell you. Whoa. Jacob, where did you find that? We got a kettle. We got a skillet with a candle. That is cool. For those people that want to get a skillet, I can't get one because it'd be too heavy to take across to Canada. So all we can do is look at it. And we have stairs going up, escalator going down. Mariana took the stairs because the dog is unsure of the escalator. So, Jacob and I, we're being lazy. Instead of doing our steps, we are on the self-riding stairs. Gun safes, guys, if you want to purchase a gun safe for those people that love to hunt. And they have all kinds, big ones, small ones. And for those hunter extraordinaires. And we have a gun library, guys. Look at this. Gun library. Just for those people that love their guns. Wow, that's so cool. And you have more guns. And here in the States, handguns are here. You can see all the kinds that we have here. Geez, that one looks like something that came out from a Clint Eastwood movie. Right? And we have all kinds of blocks. Pretty cool, eh, guys?
LCD, race 380, they're really not all that great. You're paid for
All kinds of stuff, guys. Love these old style benches. I would love to get one made up from my house by the fire, or a couple of these made up. Might get some ideas and make one myself. Might be a curious thing. I just want to get this on video and see what it actually looks like. There you go. More guns. And we have and you got scopes, guys. You got hunting rifles. This is so cool, guys. And we have another exhibit over here. We're going to pops and earplugs. We got another exhibit here, guys, which we're going to walk into. We got a lion. We got a zebra laying down having a nap. I'm going to do a little read here. It looks like we got a buffalo here. And look, we got an elephant. And then we have antelopes, white warthog, and a white rhinoceros. And we have bushbuck. And I'm going to give you guys something to read about here. Crested barbet. Do you guys see that bird in the tree there, guys? And there's a gray, I can't see that name. Hornbill. I'm going to zoom it in a little bit, guys, so you guys can have a look. See, there you go. You don't want to miss out on any kind of birds or anything. Oh, there's more birds over here. I walked right by them. Red-winged starling and a yellow hornbill. I think, Jacob, that might be the red-winged starling that we seen at the coffee shop. Well, guys, you know what? Mariana's got a rubber ducky fetish, and you want to explain why you buy these things here?
So in my Jeep, I have about 15 rubber duckies on my dash in the Jeep. And Jeep owners, I figured out, they put rubber duckies in their Jeeps, on their dash.
There you go, guys. That's what you learn for what this rubber ducky thing is in the Jeeps. If you see it in the Jeep dash. And we have all different kinds of beer coolers and stuff like that. Look at that, eh, guys? Cool. Lumberjack jacket. And kazoos and all kinds of stuff. Back scratcher. Look at this. Telescopic back scratcher, guys. For those people that can't reach their backs, it extends, like Jacob says. Sheriff Jacob is in the house. Well, I hope you guys like the Bass Pro Shop.